identifying lines and angles, and we will be seeing real-life examples of each.
So do you see this line right here? I'm just going to stop it right here. Alrighty. This is what you call a line segment, which means that this end stops, doesn't go on. And I'm going to draw another point here, meaning that this end stops and doesn't go on. And this right here is what you call a line segment, because there are two stopping points at the end of the line.
Now we're going to talk about rays. A ray is a line which has a starting point, and then the line goes on forever. If you draw it, it looks like this. Here's your starting point, here's your line, and then you draw an arrow to signify that it goes on forever. A good example of a ray in real life is our sun. Light rays from the sun begin at the sun, and the light ray goes on forever.
Okay, the line that I'm drawing right now is perpendicular. The perpendicular line. And this line right here is a parallel line. You see the difference? This line goes on forever and ever. And the perpendicular line, this line can go on forever, but this line right here has a point, stopping point. Okay, as you can see in this perpendicular line that I drew right here, there's a stopping point. Okay, perpendicular lines do not have to have a stopping point. You could draw a line like this, and it'll be two perpendicular lines. So it's no stopping point. This line can go on forever, and this line can go on forever. As you see right here and there, makes right angles, making it perpendicular.
Miosha just spoke about parallel and perpendicular lines, and now we have more examples of parallel and perpendicular lines. This is a pair of parallel lines. See, they keep going, but they never intersect. And this is a pair of perpendicular lines, and these intersect to create right angles. And if you look at the patterns of these bricks, they're the same bricks as over there, but they make a different pattern. So why would you choose to make one pattern over another? And what other patterns could you make? As we were just talking about, there was perpendicular and parallel lines. This square is made up of perpendicular lines right here. This makes up a right angle. A right angle is 90-degree angle. We are going to notice that this triangle right here is made up of line segments which are put together to make a triangle. That creates angles like this one. This is an obtuse angle because it's greater than 90 degrees. And this angle over here is an acute angle. It's a cute little angle, and it's smaller than 90 degrees. There's a triangle right here. How many angles do you see?
So in summary, we will go over all the lines, points, and angles. This is a point. This is a line. This is a line segment. This is a ray. We are parallel lines. We are perpendicular lines. This is a right angle. This is an obtuse angle. And this is a cute little acute angle. Am I recording?
Yep.
Are you serious?
There's a loud person coming.
Hold on, you guys. A lawnmower in the background.
There's a lawnmower. Say thanks to our lawnmower. A ray in real life is our sun.
Stop looking at me.